sorry about that. Hold on.
Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 6 miles southwest of Janesville Airport to Poplar Grove and moving east at 75 miles an hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sharon and Clinton around 7:10 p.m., Walworth and Darien around 7:15 p.m., Williams Bay, Fontana on Geneva Lake and Delavon Lake around 7:20 p.m., Cal Lake, Lake Geneva, Genoa City and Como around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Tiffany, Avalon, Allens Grove, Fontana, Spring Prairie and Springfield. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday evening for southeastern Wisconsin.